There are a lot of creators who are going to show you the great moments of YouTube, like getting to 1,000 subscribers, being monetized, how much you are making on a monthly basis, and stuff like that, because they will be splashing a lot of dollar bills on your face on their videos. But there are very few creators who are going to be very honest with you and tell you that getting to this section or this stage of YouTube is going to be very, very hard and difficult, because it's actually going to take you a lot just to get there. There will even be situations where you're actually going to get depressed, or there will be other situations where you start getting jealous of big creators because you are seeing them making it big on YouTube, but your views on your channel is still stuck. You are not getting views, you are not having any viral videos. So you can just imagine. So on this video, I'm going to be 100% honest, and I'm going to share my experience of what it actually took me to get to 500 plus subscribers here on YouTube. Also, if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, I think part of the reason why I actually got to this level is because even though my YouTube channel started with very low views, I was hell bent on becoming something here on YouTube one way or another. So I kept on uploading every single day. If you have to check my channel, you see that when I started, I was uploading every single day. I was taking no breaks when I actually started my YouTube channel, just so I can actually become something here on YouTube. Because to me, I don't know about you guys, but there's a stage where you actually get to, you want to find your unique voice and actually become something. And to me, I felt like, okay, YouTube is going to be the platform where I'm going to be able to do that, because normally I'm a type of guy that is used to, doing stuff like tech stuff and, editing and all those kind of stuff, but I was always in the shadows. But with this channel, I think that's going to be the way for me to break out of that. So that's why I was not taking no for an answer. Every single day I was uploading, I was getting low views, but I kept on uploading over and over again till I got to this extent. So now I know that, okay, I haven't actually gotten to the top yet, but things are better on my channel. If you have to look at my channel, I have a video with about 10,000 views, 2,000 views, 1,000 views. I was not having this in the very beginning. I was only having like 50 views and 30 views. So that's just what I'm talking about. Now, as you guys can see on your screen, you see that I've been very, very consistent, and I refuse to take no for an answer. That's why you see so many uploads on my YouTube channel. And this whole thing is just thanks to consistency and, a lot of sacrifices that I've made. Because if you go and compare my old videos to my present videos, you see that a lot have changed, and I'm talking about a whole lot. Even if you check the video quality, that have totally changed. If you look at my video structure, my description, the way I do everything on my videos, everything have changed. So I've been getting better per each upload. So if you are a YouTube creator and you mostly watch a lot of YouTube videos but you don't create a lot of videos, I will advise that instead of watching a lot of videos, you focus on creating much more content, because the only way you can get better is when you are, creating more content, uploading more content. That's when you are going to keep getting better. And lucky for you, you might even get the 500 subscribers that I got in 6 months in just like 3 months. So you go do the work so you can see the results on your channel. Now, I'm sorry to come for creators who upload 4 times a month or just 2 times in a month and they say that they want YouTube success. To me, I actually feel that you guys are not really serious yet, because if you actually calculate it, if you're uploading 4 times in a month, in a year, that's just about 48 videos in a whole year. And to me, that's not enough videos to see good results in 1 year or to even make good money when monetized here on YouTube. Because the more videos you have, the more money you are going to make, right? So if you have less videos, you are going to be making less money and seeing less results here on YouTube. Because YouTube, to me, is something that is not as easy as people are saying. All these big creators are saying, or rather lying about. YouTube is actually hard work, except you are someone that already have fame. Maybe you are already popular and then you came on YouTube, then YouTube is going to be easy for you. Or if you are an attractive lady, yes, I said it, YouTube is actually different for, attractive ladies than, guys or unattractive ladies. So except you fall in that category, then it's going to be quite easy for you. But if you are not in that category, especially if you are a guy, you need to work twice as hard here on YouTube in order for you to get results. So you just keep putting in work, uploading on a steady, learning, getting better at optimizing, and I'm sure sooner or later you're going to get better results and, hit your own 500 subscribers here on YouTube. Before some people will come for me, yes, there are actually some big creators who upload just 4 times a month and they are getting a lot of results and making a lot of money here on YouTube. But one thing you need to remember is that these big creators, they have actually been on YouTube for years and they have already gotten to the top. They have a lot of subscribers, so they can post less and still see results and make a lot of money. So you can't use yourself that is just starting on YouTube to compare those big creators. It's not going to work. So you have to put in the work. Except you have gotten to the top, then you can start uploading less and you still be seeing results and making money here on YouTube. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you should be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys in my next video.